Think petrol cars are dying? Think again. EV sales are plummeting, governments are backtracking, and car enthusiasts aren't giving up anytime soon. Here's why petrol cars aren't going anywhere. Explained in just 90 seconds. Firstly, the sound and emotion. No EV can replicate the roar of a V8, the high-pitched scream of a V10, or the turbo flutter of a built JDM legend. A Tesla Plaid might be fast, but it has no soul, unlike a Lamborghini V12, a C63, or even a simple Civic Type R. Driving an electric car for fun is like microwaving a steak instead of grilling. You still get a steak, but who wants a microwave steak? Secondly, the infrastructure. Charging stations are unreliable, slow, and nowhere near as common as gas pumps. Road trips? You'll be waiting hours to charge instead of filling up in 5 minutes. Thirdly, resale value. EVs lose value rapidly. Just look at used Teslas. A 3-year-old Model S can drop 50% in value, while a well-maintained BMW 5 Series or Mustang holds strong. Fourth, the cost. Electric vehicles are expensive up front, and battery replacements cost thousands, which simply doesn't work when they only last for a maximum of 10 years. Meanwhile, a well-kept petrol engine can last hundreds of thousands of miles. And finally, governments. Around the world, countries are backtracking. The UK delayed its petrol ban to 2035, and even EV-friendly markets like Norway are slowing down. Petrol cars aren't going anywhere. They're more fun, more reliable, and simply irreplaceable.